Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Run with Brad. Today I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to put your carabiner on your GORUCK bag. That way you can easily hook your keys to it and make it accessible, so you don't have to actually go into your bag. You can use it as a clip to hang something on or what have you. Check it out. Carabiner to your GORUCK, you want to pick out 1, 2, 3 slots for the carabiner to go to, and it can be kind of tricky if you don't do it right. All right, so I'm going to start at this top left one. I'm going to go through the bottom one. I'm going to skip that one and go back through the top right one. Oh, there we go. Now, boom, hook your keys to it, good to go. Good to go. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more GORUCK type videos, leave a comment below, hit the like button. See you next time.